this is Ryan Pack09, and let's play Ghostbusters the Video Game. Last time, Slimer escaped and slipped away, and we're gonna go catch him and bust him and make him pay for humiliating us.
Where to, Ray?
The Sedgewick Hotel. It's the first place that little spud will go.
Right. Back to its initial manifestation.
And all the food. You know that.
They've got a real good buffet.
It is a great one. When Winston returns from the opera, extend an invitation to join us at our table at the Sedgewick. Hey, you're up, buddy. Training will be on the job tonight. Try not to destroy too many Manhattan landmarks.
Yeah, I'm sure you're next to a mass destruction. Collateral damage, frankly. I can tell someone's not going to be happy to see the green spud around.
That disgusting green blob is up on the 12th floor again, wreaking havoc. I demand a refund right now.
Sir, if you check the fine print on our invoice...
Invoices.
Right, invoices. You'll see that your warranty on rehaunting expired some time ago. You should have taken the extended service agreement.
Oh, wait a minute. Just how many times have you folks blown up the Sedgewick already?
I'm getting some interesting PKE spikes here. Disturbances don't seem to be exclusive to the 12th floor. I'd like the chance to look around the building a little more.
I'm afraid we're fully booked. Dig up what you can. That little greenie shouldn't cause us too much trouble.
We're really looking forward to this trip.
You're a Ghostbuster.
You better believe I am, lady. Okay. I write down little interactions with the NPCs. It really adds to this. The mood, the atmosphere. Oh, and what?
Well, hello. You're perfectly safe now, Miss. The Ghostbusters are here.
Back off, loser. Never gonna happen.
That approach rarely works with me. I'll show you why later.
Considering that you'd go after anything that's attractive female and has a pulse vinkman, it's just like, ugh, he's so obnoxious.
By the way, cadet, we get paid by the job, not by the hour. Let's go.
I'm going. We're good.
All right, Ace. Get ready.
Dr. Stantz, if you'd do the honors.
Proud to, Dr. Venkman.
Part of our settlement with the city, proton packs must remain off in heavily populated public areas.
And in close quarters. It minimizes the city's liabilities and satisfies the restraining order the maid here had put on us.
World we live in today, you shoot a proton stream of highly charged particles at someone, they get all super...
Gee, I can't imagine why.
It's him!
Ah!
Nice. Now we got another plaintiff. Oh, come on, Ray. I'm the one that gets a face full of slime every time the little green buddy escapes. He doesn't even know me well enough to hate me.
Ah, you love it and you know it, Venkman. After all, it's the only way you can ever actually get someone to kiss you. Ugh. Watching it. I was trying to avoid contact. Yike! Oh. That really stings.
Showtime. We wear him out, then we capture him. That's what your proton stream is for.
Yeah, blow stuff up. I think we've established I can do that.
You've got him on the run! Come on, let's go! Peter!
Nah, I've seen this one already. Know how it ends. You two have fun, though. I'll cover the elevators and escort any ladies safely to their rooms.
Yeah, okay. And this signal looks just like your elusive little targeted entity. Your meter will flash and buzz when it detects a potential signal. The pair of goggles are linked directly to your active PKE meter. This lets you see otherwise undetectable phenomena while you track it. Ghost trails, object auras, all kinds of cool events. Now, when the center bar peaks, you're headed in the right direction. When it's flat, you're following a cold trail. Line the target up with the smallest circle for the best scan. Okay, you got it. Now just take a scan. Way to go! Red signifies a hidden ghost. Green indicates an environmental paranormal anomaly. Blue means an active cell.
Well, it's flashing red, so I'm saying hidden ghost. and empty trays. And luggage.
Getting warmer. Warmer.
I love how well they animated the PK mirror. So tasteful.
You're red hot. Careful. Getting a good scan is sort of like taking a good snapshot. When you've got an entity in range, hold the scan button. This will analyze the ghost's PKE signatures and cross-reference them with your online Tobin Spirit Guide database. You can then access useful information on that entity. Peter says reading it is like putting his eyeballs in a juicer, but I find it entertaining. You may need to take multiple scans of a single target or target type to get all the possible information. Keep your subject as near the center of the scan overlay as possible. The closer your subject is to the center, the more information a single scan will give you.
Like so.
Careful.
Okay, get back here, you floating green glob. Yeesh. Okay, now we're looking for an active sample.
Whoa, he's definitely been
Yeah, that's pretty obvious.
An active sample is something you can collect, like a cursed artifact. We get paid extra for everything we scan and collect. Then we roll it back into research and development. The extra funds let us experiment with new equipment and offensive technologies, which in turn you get to wear on your back.
Like a pair of goggles that come out of nowhere.
Always review techniques, tutorials, and equipment in your online Ghostbusters field manual. It's all accessible from your PKE meter.
Oh gee, I
Peter?
can't imagine what could have happened to Peter.
Uh-oh, man down. We've got a man down. Go, go, go! Come on, shake a leg. You can move faster than that, can't you? Double time, cadet! He's been slimed! Again! Hustle over here and help him up, will you?
How did this even happen? I was covering the elevators. That mutant Stromboli snuck up on me. God, funked the fire again.
When one of us goes down, we always help each other out. It's all about teamwork.
Oh no, my friend. That was back in the pre-sliming era. Right now, it's all about payback.
You guys need to get down here immediately. Our living science experiment is tearing apart the lobby, and he's not alone.
More ghosts? But we gave this hotel a clean bill of health 5 years ago.
New people die every day.
Call the elevator, Junior.
Oh, we can always walk. I'm sure Venkman could use the exercise. And work off all that, being kissed by all those lovely ladies he was escorting. I am not a Venkman fan. I admit that right now. He's a jerk.
All right, Slimer. You've had your fun. The elevator's off limits. Egon, come in. I think we're stuck in the elevator. We need some help.
Think we're stuck. Well, let's see. Think we're stuck? Think we're stuck? Think we're stuck? Ray, you guys good with officially stuck in the elevators? Show a hand.
I'm definitely good with officially stuck.
Here it comes.
Kill it, Ray!
Need a hand?
You always fail at Ray, don't you?
Oh, swell.
Never mind the onion head for now. The ghost with the red cap is fighting hard to hold stasis.
Come on. He's a New York bellhop. Just tip him, will you?
I am trying to avoid being turned into a ghost here. I'm sure that would be painful.
Keep working!
Oh yeah.
What am I expecting?
Saving the world and causing massive collateral damage in the process. All the day's work for a Ghostbuster.
Exceptional.
On the right!
Where are you? I don't know what happened.
Aim high.
Uh,
strength is failing.
Yeah. 2 in the box, ready to go. We be fast and they be slow.
Man, this lobby is so wrecked.
Can we please call Winston and tell him his night off is officially?
I'm good with that. And good with thinking that curse art.
4 of them!
Oh, swell. So how they turn into ghosts? What, did you fire them and not even give them severance pay? Ah! Alright, just for that, no tip. Okay, come here. Ah! Oh,
Coming.
help, assistance, please. Now I'm gonna assist you.
Hey, over here, little help. Yo, little.
Your help. Happy now?
To the right.
Oh, come on. I'm a Ghostbuster, not a doctor. Yay! Oh, yeah. This place is gonna be a mess before we're done. Oh, it's already.
Ray, follow me. The others are floating back upstairs. Venkman, you two pull our friend Slimer into a trap as fast as you can. There's a massive bulge in these spikes indicating this isn't just some routine clearing job.
He gets so bossy when he hasn't had his nap.
Okay, I'll take your word for that one.
Hey now, is that honey glazed ham?
Yep, sure smells it.
There, the Alhambra Ballroom. No way he could pass that up.
Absolutely not. You can't go in. The Rodriguez bar mitzvah is set to start in half an hour.
I'll bet the beef brisket is today's special.
And you've done quite enough already. I'm sure the thing will just go away. I'm willing to risk it. You're not going in there.
That's all we needed to hear. All right, we're out. Coffee time, everyone. Service has been declined.
I think it says something that he'd rather take his chances with Slimer than us.
Sounds like the Alhambra's off limits.
The schnutz, you say? Nobody slimes Pete Venkman twice and gets away with it.
Be careful, Peter. Remember the Ellis Island incident?
Oh boy. I'm sure there's a fascinating story behind that one. Well, since I've picked up some cash, I might as well do a little upgrading. I don't think I need can't afford much of anything. Actually, I can't afford anything else. So, we'll just leave it there for now. Okay. Kitchen?
You bring your apron? We're gonna take a little shortcut through the kitchen.
Maybe you can take a shortcut to a diet, pal.
Alhambra should be right through here. Hello, chef. Okay, champion. You leave.
Okay, for the record, we did not make this mess. And I'm not doing that either.
Alright, don't touch the slime. It's slimy and it's extremely dangerous.
Wow. You remember all that by looking at it. You are a scientist. Hey!
Yeah, you think I'd be used to that stuff?
Hey, it's my first day on the job. You expect me to be used to it yet? Ah!
Nothing to worry about. Most kitchens have self-starting fire.
That explode? I think not. Oh, what the? Okay, what was that? Okay, I'm betting it was bad. I'm pretty sure it's probably bad that... What? Okay, what? We're gonna have to fight that guy later, aren't we? I can tell already. Got those. Got that. Okay. Now to trash the kitchen as badly as trashed everything. I love being a Ghostbuster.
This is why I eat out of the can.
Okay.
Alright, check this out. To trap them, you've got to grab them, and to grab them, you use the other half of the proton one, the capture string. That's all there is to it. You just throw this junk anywhere. We don't stick around and clean up.
Yeah, I get the feeling that's typical for you, Peter. speaking of, there's another cursed artifact down there. I'm gonna grab it. Oh, it's so cute. It says Stay Puft Marshmallow and a convenient take-home size. Okay. You know, it must be really hard to run with all that proton pack on your back. You know, seriously. How much do those things weigh anyway? Probably a lot.
You know, I thought that guy said Rodriguez.
I've never been to a bar mitzvah now that I think about it, you know. I wonder what that's like. Well, obviously the food's good because he's here.
Would it kill him to mix in a green salad once?
Seeing as he's dead, probably not.
I'm gonna take backup. Blast him until he's dazed, and then throw your capture stream on him.
Okay. Let's see if I can spare. Ow! Well, so much for saving the bar mitzvah. Hold on. Cursed artifact. Well, we've already blown up the bar mitzvah. Might as well. And if the manager yells at me for it, I'll blame Venkman.
Ow!
Okay, time. Okay, Spud. Take your protons like a ghost. Come on, gotcha. There you are. I get the feeling that any competition that Sedgewick has is going to be doing great business in the near future. Take that, Spud.
Good, good. That's it, buddy. You got the limb.
Oops.
Freezing.
Sorry. Oh boy. The Rodriguezes are going to be very unhappy with us. Oh. 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 Okay, just blame Peter for that as well. This. Come on. Oh.
No, try to hold him still. You gotta wear him down.
Now I find a clear spot to put out the trap.
He'll be able to put his sorry crater of a butt into the trap.
And the flowers are still standing.
They're almost there. Guide him in.
Where'd he go? There you are, Spud. We came, we saw, we busted some ghosts. In you go.
Yeah, perfect. See? That's a big wow. That'll teach that pitiful goop sack to slime.
Oh, boy.
And by extension, you. Perhaps a place sitting disturbed. Still pretty much ready. Full go for the Rodriguez blowout.
The Alhambra Ballroom. The bar mitzvah. What have you done? The guests are arriving in 15 minutes.
What seems to be your problem? Thanks to me and my new exclusively assigned recruit here, the festivities can now proceed in an entirely ghost-free environment. So, you're welcome, huh? And, to the Rodriguez, a l'chaim from the Ghostbusters.
Oh, poor guy. Oh, come on, it's not so bad. It's not completely destroyed.
Oh, my lovely hotel.
Now it's completely destroyed! Yeah, that was mean of me.
This is
I know.
terrible.
Nice of you guys to join us. You grabbed the little Spud?
Ray, we need to have a heart-to-blob talking this way, or we are going to be dispatched.
What, we're supposed to now?
Uh-oh. Heads up, your initiation is over. Now give us a hand. We've got a couple of really persistent, troublesome spirits.
Oh, great. No, don't you even think it. What? I'm gonna spin, psycho!
Aim high. Multiple contact. Ugh.
Don't you even think it, jerk.
You don't want to cross the streams. I'm speaking from experience.
Come on. Where?
Oh no, no crossing the stream. Get behind something. On the right.
These jerks are such a pain. Get. That stunk.
Could be trouble. Ow. Nice screaming. Getting the hang of it. Good trap work.
Get it. Got my trap and where do you think you're going?
It's on your left. Just don't do it. Same team.
Oh, you are so not getting a tip, jerks.
Find some cover. Check your aim. Oh!
He's hurting. Doug!
Oh, smooth. Oh, right, you guys. Why does he get mixed up?
Got him.
Oh, you are going to be in pain for the rest of your afterlife. Oh, you are just begging for it, you jerks.
All yours.
Yeah.
Cool your heels in there for a while. You've got him on the rope.
Yeah. Got him. Got him. Yes.
That wasn't such a chore, now was it?
Compared to what?
Who is going to pay for
Ah,
this?
about time.
No need to worry, sir. As you know, the mayor rode to office on a strictly pro-Ghostbusters platform. And we now invoice the city directly for all captures and eliminations. And unhaunted New York is a tourist-friendly New York.
No, but damage.
The mayor and the city have taken out an extensive insurance policy as well, so you're covered.
Honestly, I'm sensing some hostility here. Perhaps we should just leave the ghosts here if that's what you would prefer, sir.
No, no. But please, be discreet.
Discretion is our professional watchdog.
Heads up.
Yeah, right behind chaos, mayhem, and wanton
Whoa,
destruction.
where did he come from?
I suppose we should go after him, unless you want to discuss it first.
Cadet, go with Dr. Spengler. Check out the angry fisherman.
Sounds like a plan. Okay. I think we'll leave it at this here for now. So I hope you all enjoyed, and please, I hope that you'll become back for the next round of Ghostbusters the Video Game.